34, 38 high, or 37. Highway 41 southbound, South Crossroads. The white Chevrolet Tahoe. 34, you got eyes on it up there?
10-4, I do. Nah, I'm just about to catch up with it.
One second there. If we can get it before we get the corn, we do it.
10-4, he slammed his brakes on.
Let me get up beside you on the straight stretch and I can kind of box you in.
10-4, you might be able to pull ahead of me. Pull up on him a little quicker than me. When we get up here, if I can't get up beside him, just pass me and get up there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, is that fence down? Yeah. Hey, Kyle, bring your car. Bring your car for cover.
Hey, what?
Bring your car this way for cover. Show your hand. I don't see him in the car. Yeah, did it roll? I don't know where he. Hey, Ian, I don't know where he's at. Yeah, he's not too far. We believe he's on foot.
Were you advised subject sat on foot?
Hey, make sure y'all fix it or what? Got 10-4.
we have a description?
White male, tattoos. I believe he's wearing a blue tank top. Oh shit.
2 to 4, how far north of Foreman are you?
3 or 4 miles. Right here, coming up. Got eyes on? He's gonna be laying out here somewhere. I'll go around front. Hey, that thing can drive. Yeah.
Hope suspect vehicle clear, he's left on foot.
Give up! I'm gonna give up the dog! I'm fixing to send the dog! Show me your fucking hand!
Where's he at?
Show me your hand! Show me your hand!
Roll over your stomach. Roll over your fucking stomach.
Now.
Roll over your fucking stomach. Put your hands behind your back. You do something stupid, I'm gonna put this around your forehead. You understand me?
Oh. Give me your other fucking hand. Oh. Give me your other hand. Oh. I need medical.
You got it.
Send an ambulance.
Poor Hope, he's in custody.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Kenneth Terrell.
Huh?
Kenneth Terrell.
Suspect for one of you guys.
Suspect. We let you in the car. Can you roll over? Can you breathe?
I'm having a hard time breathing.
Okay, can you roll? You have the ability to roll?
Like it wasn't going fast.
Well,
Then it started going, so maybe, I don't know.
I threw it all the way down. It put me in first gear. So I was like, man, what in the world? Who wants to transport him?
Oh, you got a lot of things to do.
Is one of y'all got my phone?
I do.
Yeah.
Will it be booked with me?
Yeah, it'd be part of your property, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go around on this side by the highway and get in my back seat.
Well, we're going to get to wait on the ambulance to come.
Yeah, we'll get an ambulance to check you out. In the meantime, we do want you to have a seat in the cool air, okay?
On this side.
Other side.
You don't got nothing on you, do you?
Oh, there's a pocket knife, I think.
Do you have any dope or anything hidden on you?
Where's your pocket knife at?
I think it's in this right pocket.
You got nothing in your waistband?
No, sir.
Have a seat.
Hey, I'm gonna put your pocket knife back in the vehicle, okay? You don't need it. You don't need it.
Yeah, but I don't lose all that stuff.
I thought I'd be there. We're gonna tow your ride.
I know that, but I mean, I don't want to.
Send a message, state police, ask them if your direction of travel, if they got any more information.
Here, I'll get on there.
got him TVI'd in the bushes. We're 10:15 with him waiting on an ambulance. We're on Highway 41 at Little River 132, East 1015.